you're going to be surprised how quickly we can place openings in ArchiCAD. In this video, you're going to master how to place openings for balconies, whereas in the last video, we placed windows in ArchiCAD. Video link above. And without waste of time, let's dive in. To place the openings for the balcony, double click on openings. Under geometry and positioning, we are going to start with the circular opening. The height of the opening, we are going to type in 2.60, which is just going to normalize because the circle, and that is the diameter. Move down to floor plan and section. Under use lines of cut elements, you're going to unselect that and then change the color from this color to arch. Navigate down a little bit. Under use of contour elements, select this. Once done, we are going to move to opening symbol custom settings. We'll unselect field, and with that said, we'll move to classification properties. Type in OP101. Click OK. Well, we are going to set this height to 2.60. Place it from this point. So I'm going to select this and drag it right up to this point. To place the second type of opening, so we're going to click on opening, reduce this to 2.20 and change it from circular to rectangular, and I want to place it this way. We make sure we select it properly and drag it to this point. Once done, I'm going to navigate to 3D and see what I have done. Press O to rotate. The height of this is 2.6 and I have to unlink the dimension, so I'm going to unlink this and then type in 2.60. Press enter. Select on this wall, click on the end point this way. I'm going to change to stretch length, and I'll stretch the length right up to this edge. We have a small issue this way. You'll be corrected by a beam, so that's fine. We are going to get rid of this wall above, so click on the wall, select and delete. Navigate to floor plan, select all this opening, Ctrl C on your keyboard, navigate to first story, Ctrl V on your keyboard, right click and press OK. I'm going to select on the edge of this opening, drag it, use the drag tool and drag it to this point. Then select this other opening which is here and drag it to this point. Turn to 3D and you're going to see what you have done. So we have an S shape. I equally want to get rid of this wall behind, so I'm going to come this way. Select this wall, click on this point, use the stretch command. I'm going to trace from this side and draw up to this point. Navigate to 3D and see what I have done. So we still have a problem here. Press O on your keyboard, select this edge of the rectangular opening, use this stretch command and stretch it right up to the end of the wall, and you're going to have a free opening. So what is left is filling in these spaces, and to do that we just have to click on the beam command. We are going to put the height of the beam to be 0.4 and the width of the beam to be 0.15. Press OK. Draw the beam from here to here. Select this point and drag in the beam this way. Move to ground story and do the same thing. Select the beam, draw from this point probably to this point. Select this way and draw from here to here. Navigate to 3D and we are going to have this place all filled up and this place all filled up. But there is something we want to do. We want this beam to be a gusset beam, and to solve that issue, select on this beam and shift select on this beam. Double click on beams, move to segments. Under segments, we are going to change it to tampered size. Make sure that we change from single element to multi-segmented. Add another segment, so we have the beam splitted into two. On the first segment of the beam, we are going to change the percentage to 75%, and then on the 75%, so the start is going to be 0.8 and the end is going to be 0.40 for the first end. Then we are going to move to the second section. The start is going to be 0.4 and the end is going to be 0.4. Once done, we are going to click OK. Move on to place other openings, which are openings such as the circular opening. To do that, move to ground floor and then click on opening. I want the opening to be circular and I want it to be 0.5, so I just want to place it here. That is 0.3 away from this main point, so I'm going to drag to this point and drag in 0.3, press enter. Make multiple of them. Select on this opening, Ctrl Shift D, move down by 1 meter, Ctrl Shift D, move down by 1 meter. O to rotate, and this is how my structure is going to look like. We are equally going to place openings for the balconies behind. So you're going to click on opening, and preferably here we're going to use the rectangular opening. The height of the opening will be 2.60, and move here and place the opening. Probably we are just going to extend the opening, so select on this point, use the move node, and then drag it up to this edge. Do the same this way, select from this point and drag it to the edge. This opening, you're going to change it back to rectangular, and then move to the first story, place that same opening this way. So click on openings, place on this point, select from this edge, move node to this point, and do the same, move from this point to this point. We are going to change from polygonal to rectangular. So navigate to 3D, and so this is what we have for the opening. If you found this video helpful, you're definitely going to love what we have next. Click here to discover how to place railings in ArchiCAD like a professional. See you on the other side, my friend.